Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious egg salad wrap. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, prepare your eggs by boiling them to your desired consistency, whether soft or hard-boiled. Then, focus on creating the perfect egg salad mixture, balancing flavors and textures. Finally, assemble your wrap with fresh fillings for a satisfying meal. Let's create the heart of our wrap, the egg salad. Start by boiling 6 large eggs for about 10 minutes to ensure they are hard-boiled. Once cooled and peeled, chop them into small, uniform pieces. In a bowl, gently combine the chopped eggs with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs. Now, let's assemble your perfect egg salad wrap. Select a large, soft tortilla or a crisp lettuce leaf for a low-carb option. Spread a generous amount of your freshly made egg salad evenly across the center. Layer with fresh, crisp lettuce and thinly sliced tomatoes for added texture and flavor. Carefully roll the wrap tightly from one side to the other, ensuring all the delicious fillings stay inside. Make your egg salad wrap uniquely yours with these customization tips. Feel free to experiment with different herbs like dill or chives, or add a pinch of paprika for a smoky kick. For extra richness, include sliced avocado or some crispy bacon bits. You can serve your wrap immediately for the freshest taste, or chill it for up to 2 days. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.